Hey guys, it's Pearl again, back again with the tummy tuck updates. Alright, so I am here, you can see, at beautiful Port Alfred Marina in South Africa. And this morning I was laying in bed thinking, you know what, I need to get more active. So I decided to start walking. Now let's talk about this post-op workout and when is the right time to actually start working out. I was given the okay to do some isolated exercises about 3 weeks post-op, but it's of course because I was a little active before. But for you guys that have not been active, it's a journey because you feel so uncomfortable, you feel so tight and swollen and everything else. I just want to tell you to be kind to your body and take your time with this, because I feel like we want to rush and we don't want to lose the results, but I tell you that your body needs the time to heal. The other thing is start slow, start really slow. Let's talk about being active straight after tummy tuck. Make sure that you do your walk a little bit. Yes, it's uncomfortable and it's painful, but walk, get out of the bed, walk, get that blood moving through the body. That helps with the healing. At 4 weeks, you probably would be able to try one of my workouts. I've done the isolated post-op. I'm going to have a seat here and show you how beautiful. So I'm not jumping around too much. This is the beautiful Marina. Right, let's get back about. Okay, so we were talking about the exercising and what would be the perfect time. Okay, so this first 2 weeks, forget about any form of exercise. You are super uncomfortable. I think even in the third week, you're really, really uncomfortable as far as exercise goes. But do walk, very important, walk. And increase that walking every little bit every day. I think around the 4-week mark, I was doing housework. I thought I was strong and active, but I have to warn you guys that after being active during the day, the swelling is unreal at the evenings. You can see some of my tummy tuck post-op exercises. Be kind. Again, I will say, just be kind to your body. Don't rush it. And then once you get an okay from your doctor, you can start exercising. Tummy tuck exercises. Please don't rush post-abdominal surgery exercises. I remember trying something around the 4-week mark because I thought I was strong, and when I was done, I was in so much pain. And also wear your spandex or your compression garment while exercising in the earlier days. I think that it's important that you do that because it just gives you that feeling of safety and security like I did. So that's me coming to you live about exercising. And of course, like I said, I'm 8 weeks post-op. So I'm only started walking again. I've done a 3K walk, jog, run, sort of just spiking my cardio just to sort of get the fat burning going. So guys, that's me coming you live from Alfred. I'll show you how gorgeous and calming it is. Yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed my little video on post-tummy exercise, what to expect and when is the right time to get started. So there really isn't one, remember that, and be kind to your body, and I shall see you in the next workout coming up soon. Ciao guys.